Acer Nitro 5 AN515 Laptop AN515-53-55G9. Review Deal Discount Unboxing Setup. This is a great laptop. I'm upgrading from a Gateway on the series that's at its end of its useful life. This is a major upgrade. i5-8300. The GTX 1050 Ti. Good stuff is going on for this laptop. I had read a few reviews before purchase and watched few YouTube videos. It stated that its fans are loud and it gets hot. Fans are a bit audible only if you game. Netflix and YouTube. This thing is silent. But I'm not much of a gamer. Wanted a decent graphics card in the event that I wanted to game for a bit. Plus I stream lots of videos also on Netflix. It's perfect. It's the little brother to the Predator Helios. Great but I'll recommend. No troubles or issues so far. Slight heavy. But my other laptop was heavier. So I don't mind. Should be able to last a decent amount of years if handled with care. First impressions: good form factor, lighter than expected, is plastic but doesn't feel cheap, red accent is not obnoxious or too edgy. Contains a lot of bloatware between Windows 10 and Acer, but most is easy to remove. Trackpad is pretty bad compared to other laptops I've owned. Display is nice. Upgrades are made easy. I purchased the Nitro 5 on cost factor and brand recognition, with the intention of being able to play new and newish games on better settings with reasonable 30 FPS ranges. So far I've only tested this with ARK on high settings at 1080p, which I averaged 40-50 FPS after turning down some lighting and shadow settings. Considering that ARK isn't the most optimized game in the world, expect to get better rates on similarly intensive games, and 60+ on esports titles. I would highly recommend that anyone with a large game library to buy and install an HDD. Thankfully Acer makes this very simple with accessible panels on the back, that don't require you to remove the entire back panel. Screws are big enough for your average driver. Some other reviewers stated that their laptop came with a 7th generation i5 instead of the 8th gen as promised. This was not the case for me. I have not tested battery life yet, as I don't intend to use this laptop unplugged for gaming. All in all, the Nitro 5 is probably the best bang for your buck unless you're willing to give Walmart's new overpowered series a try. I expect to remain happy with my purchase, and will enjoy playing lots of games with my friends and family. Special discounts on product. Get the discount link in the description box.